This is Varsha from Hyderabad. So this is my first program which I have attended for myself completely. I always knew that it's me. How can I not know about me? So for the first time when I'm attending this program, I got to know that very clearly that I have very less idea on myself. So I wanted to work on this from before, but I did not know this is so much important to go further in my life. I know growing is very important, but to grow further and to explore life more, knowing myself is the best thing that I can do as a first step. So this is what I have learned in the Rohini's program and how to overcome the fears. I always used to feel I'm the most fearful person in the world. I had fear for everything. To run a bike, to run a car, cockroach, lizard, what not. I had a fear for everything. The exercise that she made me to do to overcome the fear, now I really don't think twice to do something. I really don't think twice to do something. I have experimented it yesterday night, so it really worked for me. So I'm very excited to know more about myself. In the last day, there was a program, there was an exercise where Rohini made us to feel ourselves. So I have never felt myself in the past, so that was the best exercise. And I have spoken to the people who have attended the program. So I'm very happy that they did not tell me what the program is about. So guys, don't expect anything. Please be open. Please come with an open mind. That is how it really works. You might have so much confusion and so much of curiosity, anxiety, sometimes anger also, what is going to happen, but it's really worth it. It really works like that only. I'm so happy that I did not know what's going to happen. Now I have got a mail also, but I never took so much of time to go and see what is really going to happen. But I'm happy for that. I have not done that. So I was open, so I could actually take whatever was given. I'm more open to take now, so don't expect from the program anything. It is simply designed awesome. Just come, that's it.
My name is Mohammed Rafi. I am from Hyderabad. So because of my personal reasons, so I thought attending the free seminar initially. So I have some fears, so which I wanted to overcome. किसी भी चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता था, जैसे कि मैंने इतना कुछ लाइफ में देख लिया था कि हर बार whatever I used to do, I never succeeded in anything. Either maybe it's academics या फिर पर्सनल लाइफ हो गई, रिलेशन हो गया या प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हो गई, तो हर बार मैं एवरी टाइम आई फेल. तो मैं जो भी कुछ करता था और इतनी बार मैं फेल होने लगा कि मुझे आगे जाने की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी. जैसे मैं पहले दिन आया तो पहले दिन से मैं रोहिणी से बात करना चाहता था, हर एक सेमिनार में हर एक क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देना चाहता था, लेकिन फिर से वही हेजिटेशन और वही डर कि हाँ क्या सोचेंगे लोग, क्या होगा, शायद मैं कुछ गलत बोल दूँगा, या फिर वही कुछ चीज़ थी अंदर जो मुझे बार बार पीछे खींच रही थी. और आज मैं दूसरे दिन अपने आप को देखता हूँ कि मैं सबसे कॉन्फिडेंस की बात कर पाता हूँ, और अब मुझे लगता है कि हाँ जो मैं चाहता था वो मैं कर पाऊँगा. अगर आप सुबह उठते हो इस फीलिंग से कि आज यहाँ पे कि कुछ भी नहीं है करने के लिए, आप ऐसे उठते हो सुबह जैसे आपको पता नहीं आज क्या करना है, कहाँ जाना है. इफ़ यू आर स्टक समवेयर, योर डेस्टिनेशन इज रोहिणी. मुझे आज लगता है कि मैंने आज फिर से जन्म लिया. आई फील दैट आई एम टुडे आई रीबॉर्न.
Subhadra Sindhi from Hyderabad. Actually, I came here to Goa for this program being conducted by Rohini. We met her up at Hyderabad some 2 months ago, and I was so impressed My daughter was the one who brought me to this program in Hyderabad, and I was reluctant to go. But the moment I went there, I said, this is the person I want to be with and listen to for the sake of myself and my two daughters. We had come to a stage in life where we couldn't move further ahead. And when I heard her in Hyderabad, I said, this is the lady that I wanted in my life to make the change. So here we are at Goa, attending this 3-day program. And as I think the way the things have turned out, Rohini is amazing. The 3-day workshop that she has been conducting here is absolutely fantastic. She took us to various drills since yesterday and day before, and I'm sure they will help us in our life. And she has taught us so many things. She has told us so many things that I'm sure they will be very helpful in our life in future. The program has been good. I hope to benefit by it. I hope me and my children settle down in life, move on, and find something beautiful to look forward to. Rohini rocks, by the way. Rohini rocks, Rohini rocks, Rohini rocks. She is extraordinary, like her extraordinary program.
Hi, I'm Indira Penubolu. I'm a freelance soft skill trainer, and I've come on this journey with Rohini for a pretty personal reason actually. I've been going through bouts of depression and anxiety. The meditations have really helped me. The guided meditations that she does through the sessions, and I feel a lot lighter now and a lot freer. Basically, the thing is, I've always maintained this about my mom. She's a very stubborn lady, and there are things that I have known which I would want to tell her, which I would like to talk to her about, but which I know she won't accept if I tell her. And I saw Rohini break her down on those points. So I feel that yes, I mean, in a way closer to my mom, definitely. Just for the fact that she accepted these things by listening to it from somebody like Rohini. I think the journey has just begun. I think a lot of it lies in how we will practice it, what we will practice going forward, basically. And I hope that the three of us will practice what we've learned, and therefore there will be a change. The extraordinary you.
My name is Srikanth. I am part of Rohini Mundra's program. So I came to Rohini Mundra way back in September 2017. I wanted to primarily look for how to get into the corporate ladder, how to grow in the corporate ladder. That was my primary thing. So I came into the program without knowing who Rohini Mundra is. And I attended that program, and somehow that energy level she brought into that session attracted me towards joining this program. Something told me that she can make a difference in my career. And I was still at a confused state at that time. What should I do? I approached Rohini saying that how do I grow in the corporate ladder? But she was telling me that, looking at what are the things I've done and capability, she said, why don't you start something on my own, which was something that I never thought I will do. But she gave me a thought process to it, saying that why don't you try it? So then I started, for the first time, I started looking into a business kind of an environment, starting a leadership coaching school, something that I have never dreamt of doing it. So I started doing that. And I started this, invited with a small ad, inviting people for a pilot for a 16-week leadership course. And about 85 people had nominated for that, and we had an amazing response from that particular program. And to tell about Rohini Mundra, so she is a very dynamic person. The energy levels she brings to the table is something phenomenal. The difference that Rohini brings to the table is the energy level.
and she's vibrant at 9 o'clock in the morning, at 11 p.m. in the night. So the same energy level is what you see with her, and that actually brings people into the table, and she's very passionate about what she's doing, and she's very accountable. So it's not that you paid the money and you get off, right? So she ensures that you does the work, and she gives you straight feedbacks if you don't do. These are some traits which a coach needs to have, and I think she does a great job in that, and I'm very happy that I've chosen Rohini for this program.